This is my last video for today. You are going to use the reading skill you've learned in my previous videos to do task 12. Look at the title, Social Media and the Meaning of Friendship, and the picture. Can you see the picture? Can you predict the information you're going to read about? I guess the passage is about friendships in the past. Oops, sorry, I went off the next page. Hang on. Okay. So, I guess the passage is about friendships in the past and present. Okay. All right. Great. Okay. So, what does the task require you to do? Read the passage and answer the questions below. Let's read the task. Answer the questions below. Choose no more than 3 words from the passage for each answer. So how many words can you choose from the passage? 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, yes. But not more than 3. Okay, all right. Is that clear? Not more than 3. All right. How many questions are there? 5 questions. And how many paragraphs are there? Let's check. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Okay. Okay. Go over the questions. You can use the dictionary to understand the difficult words in the question. Pause the video if required. Okay. Let's try question 4 as an example. Question 4. I chose question 4 because it's a good example and it's straightforward. So, our first step is to underline keywords in the question. Okay. Okay, so let me take my pen to underline the keywords. What frequently influences the friendships of young children? So, I would choose influence, friendships, young children. These are the keywords I'm going to look for in the text. Okay, so first, we need to see which paragraph is likely to have this information. There are 4 paragraphs here. So, I skim to understand the main idea or the general idea of each paragraph. How do I skim? I read the topic sentence, the first 2 sentences if needed, and probably the last sentence, the concluding sentence of each paragraph. Okay, all right. Let me read the first sentence here. There have been a lot of scientific studies into what makes a friendship. Okay, this is about scientific studies and something. All right, so I don't think information about children is going to be here. Another change from the past is that people don't stay in the place where they are born. Could be, but okay, let me read the other paragraph. As people get older, they sometimes have less free time. So it's talking about as people get older. So the information is likely to be here because it's talking about growing older from childhood. Yeah. Okay, so I think the information is likely to be here. One thing is definitely true. This is a conclusion. Okay, so I think the information is likely to be here, or could be here. Okay, so let me read this first. Okay, as people get older, they sometimes, so I need to look for young children. Yes, I need to look for 3 words. Yeah, influence young children. So let me look for the word influence, young children, young children. Yes, I can find the word young children here. Okay, let me take pencil, young children. So, and I can see the word friendships. Okay, all right. So the information that I'm looking for is most likely to be here. Yeah, just circle out 1 or 2 sentences before and after the keywords. All right. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so let me read. They become busier with jobs and families and have less time to spend with friendships. Can be very different when we are at different ages. Young children, so let me read from here. Young children often choose their friends because of convenience. Because of convenience, I got the answer. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the question to see if the answer matches the question. What's the question? What frequently influences the friendships of young children? Okay, convenience. You've learned the word convenience in level 2. If you don't know, take a look at your dictionary. Okay, and if you don't know any of these words, use your dictionary. Okay, so convenience, because they go to school, they live near each other, or their parents are friends. All right, so now the task requires me to answer in no more than 3 words from the passage. So I'll pick up this word, convenience, from here, and I will use just this 1 word to answer the question. So what's the answer for my question? Convenience. What frequently influences the friendships of young children? Convenience. I'll do 1 more example for you. Look at question 1. Question 1 is a bit more complicated. It's not simple or straightforward. Let's read question 1. What has enabled people to have more friends than in the past, according to some people? So what are the keywords that I look for? Let me look at, take my pencil. Oops. Okay, my highlighter. Okay, people have more friends than in the past. So this is what I need to look for. Okay, people more friends than past. All right. Okay. Okay. So I need to look for people, friends than in the past. Okay, let me skim. So what information am I looking for? I need to look for why people today have more friends than in the past. Which paragraph is likely to discuss about friendships today and the past? Let's skim the topic sentences of the paragraphs. There have been a lot of scientific studies into what makes a friendship. It seems today that ideas, okay, so this paragraph may contain the information that I need. Okay, let me look for 1 more paragraph. Another change from the past is that, so it's talking about the past. Okay, so paragraph 1 or 2 may contain the information that I need. Okay, so let me look for more ideas. It seems today. So today is than in the past, matches with than in the past. Okay, so let me underline the word. Today Why did I choose today? Because it's got a similar meaning as than in the past. Okay, so the question is asking me for information about friendships today. All right, so I choose the word today. Friendship. Okay, more friends, friendship. All right. People. Right, I've got the word people. I can't find the word past, but than in the past. I've got a word that matches with than in the past. Okay, all right. So I think I may find the information around here. Yeah, in this circle. Let me read. Today, it seems today that ideas of what friendship is are also changing. A study in 1993, Oxford showed that people could only make 150 relationships. However, with the explosion of social media, since then, many people have over 300 people. So, what has enabled people to have more friends? Social media. How many words? 1, 2. That's my answer for question 1. What has enabled people to have more friends than in the past, according to some people? Social media. So we found the answers for question 1 and 4. Could you find the answers for the rest of the questions? Remember the instruction? Do not use more than 3 words from the text. You can pause the video and write down the questions in your notebook. Use your dictionary if needed. I will zoom the text for you to read and complete the task. Jot down the answers in your notebook or complete the task on Moodle. Remember to use your dictionary if needed. That's all for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.